Hello dear students and welcome back. Let us continue with our previous exercise where we left off, that is exercise 6.1, question number 1 we have already completed. Let's look at the next question, question number 2. Now question number 2, it reads, represent the following numbers as integers with appropriate signs. So the first part, A, an aeroplane is flying at a height 2000 meters above the ground. Now an aeroplane is flying 2000 meters above the ground. So we are going to represent this as an integer, this information. So above means we will add plus and it is flying 2000 meters above the ground. So we will simply write plus 2000 since it is flying above, up, alright? B, a submarine is moving at a depth 800 meters below the sea level. Now, a submarine, it does not float, it goes under the water, right? So it is under the water, down. So we will write this as minus. Minus will indicate down and 800 meters. Similarly, C, a deposit of 200 rupees. You deposit means you are adding money, right? So it will be plus rupees 2000, or you can write rupees 2000, right? For the last one, withdrawal of rupees 700. Withdrawal. You have some money, you are taking away 700 from that money. That means you are subtracting, minus 700. All right? Oh, sorry, it's 700, yeah. So with this, we have finished with question number 2. Let's move on to question number 3. Question number 3. Represent the following numbers on a number line. Now they're asking us to represent the numbers given in the question on a number line. So let me first draw the number line. 0 will be middle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The biggest number given is 8, so I'll go till 9. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8, minus 9, minus 10. So for the first question, A, plus 5. Plus 5, if you look here, no sign is given on the right side, but they are all plus. So plus 5 is here. This is for question A. What about minus 10? If you look, you will find minus 10 is here. So this is question B. Question C is plus 8. Plus 8 means you have to look on the right of 0. So 8 is here. This is for question C. Similarly, D, minus 1 means this is plus 1, this is minus 1. So you will have to go to the left, and this is the answer for question D. And finally, for question E, minus 6, again to the left of 0. Since it is minus, if you come, you will see that you will find minus 6 here. So this is the answer for the last question. So this is how you will plot, okay? This is how you will plot numbers, integers, on the number line. All right? With that, we are done with question number 3. Let's move on to question number 5. Question number 5. Now they have given us some information here. Siachen, 10 degrees below 0 degree. Shimla, it's in the textbook, but I'm just writing this for our understanding, below 0 degree. Ahmedabad, just write in short, 30 degrees Celsius above 0 degrees Celsius. Next is Delhi, 20 degrees Celsius above 0 degrees Celsius. And Srinagar, 5 degrees Celsius below 0 degrees Celsius. Now let's read the question first. Following is the list of temperatures of 5 places in India on a particular day of the year. Siachen, 10 degree Celsius below 0 degree. These are the informations given here. Now, basing on this, we have to answer a few questions. A, write the temperatures of these places in the form of integers in the blank column. Now, looking at this information given, we have to represent an integer to show the temperature. Now, look here. I'll draw a quick number line. This side is plus, this side is minus. So 10 degrees below 0 degree. 10 degrees Celsius below 0 degree. That means lesser than 0. Lesser than 0 means it will go this side, right? On the left. So if you go on the left counting -1, -2, you will reach -10 somewhere around here. So you will write this as -10 degree Celsius. It will be a negative number. Similarly for Shimla, it is still below 0 degree. 2 degree Celsius below means you'll put a -2 degrees Celsius. Ahmedabad, above 30 degrees Celsius, above 0 degree. Above means you have to move to the right. If you move to the right, the number becomes positive. So you will write plus 30 degrees Celsius. Delhi is also above, so plus 20 degrees Celsius. Srinagar, 5 degrees Celsius below 0 degrees Celsius. That means -5 degrees. Since it is below, it will go to the left, so it will become -5 degrees Celsius. The first part was about writing the integers. We have finished with that. The second part, following is the number line representing the temperature in degrees Celsius. Now, a number line is given 40, 35, 30, 25, 20, 15, 10, 5, 0, -5, -10, -15, and -20. All right, these are the numbers given here. -25 is also given. Now we have to plot this on this number line. All right, so if you look at the first one, -10, you'll find -10 over here. This -10 is for Siachen. Next is -2. -2 is not given here, but it is in between 0 and -5. 0, -1, -2, -3, -4, and -5. So we can mark somewhere around here as Shimla. Next is +30, Ahmedabad. So plus will be on the right side. This is your Ahmedabad. Delhi also +20, it is here. So this is Delhi. And finally Srinagar is -5, that is this one, -5. So this is Srinagar. So this is all about question 5B. C, if you look at question C, which is the coolest place? Now look at this number line, which is the lowest number here. Now we know that on the number line, the left number is smaller than the right number on the right. So we will look at the left. The last number is -10. That means for question C, -10 degree is for Siachen. So Siachen is the coldest place. All right? And D, write the names of the places where temperatures are above 10 degree. Above 10 degree means above this. So we will look, above means greater. So we will look on the right. It is Delhi and Ahmedabad. So we will write Delhi and Ahmedabad. So these are your answers for question number 5. Let's move on to the next question. Now we will go to question number 7. A. Write all the integers between the given pairs. Write all the integers between the given pair. The first pair is A and -7. 0 and minus 7. So we have to write the numbers between 0 and minus 7. To understand this better, to be able to quickly solve it, let's draw a number line. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it goes on. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7. Now 0 and minus 7, we have to write the numbers between 0 and minus 7. So from here to here. So the numbers are minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6. So your answer is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, and minus 6. So similarly for B, minus 4 and 4, between minus 4 and 4. If you look at this number line, you can see that from minus 3 till 3. These are the numbers between minus 4 and 4. So you will write minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. So similarly, you can try C and D. It is all the same. Draw a number line and you will be able to identify the numbers. So this is all about question number 7. Now let's look at question number 8. Question 8A. Let's read the question. Write 4 negative integers greater than minus 20. Greater than minus 20. If I draw a quick number line, I have 0 here. Let's say there is minus 20 is here. All right, on the left. Now greater means we have to move to the right. So after 20, it will be minus 19, minus 18, minus 17, minus 16, minus 15. It will go on like this till 0, right? So 4 numbers greater than minus 20, we can write any number on the right of minus 20. We will simply write this for better understanding. Numbers greater will be minus 19, minus 18, minus 17, and minus 16. It can be any number on the right. It can be 1, 2, 3, 4. It can be 0, 1, 2, 3, all right? But for understanding, we are writing minus 19, minus 18, minus 17, and minus 16, okay? So this is the first part. B. B, they are asking us to write 4 integers less than minus 10. They are asking us to write 4 integers less than minus 10. So I'll take 0 here. We'll start like this, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. It will reach minus 10 somewhere around here. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8, minus 9, and minus 10. Now less. They're asking us for less integers less than minus 10. Means if it is less, you have to go to the left. So the next number will be minus 11, minus 12, minus 13, minus 14. So 4 integers less than minus 10 can be written as minus 11, minus 12, minus 13, minus 14. We have already learned that on the left side of 0, the bigger the number gets, the smaller its value becomes. That means the number on its right is always greater than the number, okay? If it is minus 14, minus 13 is bigger than minus 14, all right? So with that, question 8 is over. We have learned about addition of integers. So let's move on to exercise 6.2, where we will be adding numbers, okay? So please turn to exercise 6.2, 128 page number. Let's look at the first question. The first question. We have already done an example on this, 3 more than 5. Now, using the number line, write the integer which is 3 more than 5. Without actual addition, let's do it. So, to do this, we are supposed to draw a number line. And we will mark this as 0. Since I need positive numbers, I'm leaving out negative part. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It goes on. We'll write till 10. Now, 3 more than 5. So we'll start with 5. So to locate 5, I will start from 0. Always start from 0. This is your 5. Now it is more than. More than we have already discussed, it means plus. So 3 more than 5 means we have to go 3 places to the right. 1, 2, and 3. So 1, 2, and 3. This 3. So when you go to 3, you are getting the answer as 8. So 3 more than 5 is equal to 8. All right? This is your 5. 3 more than 5. 1, 2, 3, 8. All right? This is how you mark integers addition on the number line. Let's look at the second part of the question. We will do this on the same number line. All right, this is 5, this is 8. Now, let's look at the next question, B. 5 more than minus 5. 5 more than minus 5. So we will need minus 5. We'll make some adjustments here. Minus 5. Now, 5 more than minus 5. So we will start with the number minus 5. So to locate 5, we have to go to the left. Minus 5, sorry. To locate minus 5, we will have to go to the left. We have to start from the left. That is, minus 5 is here. So 5 more. That means we have to start counting again. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Your answer is 0. So 5 more than minus 5 is 0. Okay? So similarly, the next question, C. The next question, C. 6 less than 2. Now when we talk about less than, it means minus, right? So first we will locate 6. Sorry, 2. We will locate 2. Now, to locate 2, we have to go from 0 to the right. It comes here. So this is your 2. 6 less than 2 means we have to go back. Less than means subtract, so we have to go back 6 places. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So your answer is minus 4. It will look something like this. Sorry. We will come to this later in the next part of the question. So 6 less than 2. So when you talk about 6 less than 2, you come to 2 first, go back 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 places. The 6 less than 2 is nothing but minus 4. Okay? Similarly, the next question, 3 less than minus 2. So 3 less than minus 2. So this is your minus 2. 0 to minus 2, you come over here like this. 3 less, so that means again we have to go to the left. 1, 2, and 3. So your answer is minus 5. So this is how you how you add and subtract numbers using the number line. So with that, we have come to the end of this session. We will continue with the exercises in the next class. So please keep practicing, and I look forward to seeing you very soon. Thank you.